Proper septic tank services are essential for maintaining a healthy environment in Cartersville, Georgia. Septic tanks store and treat wastewater from households. Without regular maintenance, septic tanks can overflow, causing contamination of water sources and posing health risks. Professional septic tank services ensure that tanks are properly maintained, preventing environmental pollution and potential health hazards. By understanding the significance of septic tank services, residents in Cartersville can contribute to preserving the local environment and safeguarding the well-being of their community. When looking for septic tank services in Cartersville, Georgia, reputation, customer reviews, and service quality are crucial factors to consider. Top septic tank service providers stand out for their excellent reputation, positive customer feedback, and high-quality service standards. By highlighting these top providers, customers can make informed decisions and choose a reliable company for their septic tank needs. Whether it's prompt responses, thorough inspections, or efficient repairs, these providers prioritize customer satisfaction and ensure top-notch service delivery. Top septic tank service providers in Cartersville, Georgia offer a range of essential services to ensure the proper functioning of septic systems. These services include septic tank pumping, which involves removing accumulated waste to prevent blockages and backups. Maintenance services focus on regular inspections and upkeep to prolong the lifespan of the septic tank. Inspections help identify potential issues early on, while repairs address any damages or malfunctions promptly. By providing these comprehensive services, top septic tank service providers play a vital role in maintaining the efficiency and reliability of septic systems in the area. Selecting a septic tank service provider in Cartersville, Georgia involves considering crucial factors like pricing, experience, and customer satisfaction. Pricing transparency ensures fair costs for services provided, preventing unexpected expenses. Experience reflects the provider's knowledge and expertise in handling various septic system issues effectively. Prioritizing customer satisfaction guarantees a positive service experience and reliable results. By weighing these key factors carefully, residents can choose a septic tank service provider that meets their needs and delivers quality service for their septic system. Regular septic tank maintenance is vital for the functionality and longevity of septic systems in Cartersville, Georgia. By scheduling routine inspections and timely repairs, homeowners can prevent costly damages and ensure the proper operation of their septic tanks. When choosing a septic tank service provider, it is recommended to prioritize companies with a proven track record of reliability, quality service, and customer satisfaction. By following these recommendations and investing in regular maintenance, residents can safeguard their septic systems and contribute to a healthier environment in Cartersville.